this Christmas you can have the Yellowstone Ranch with you with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might like the show Yellowstone. I'm engrossed in it. Fun show. Reminds me of some of the summers that I spent on a ranch out in Montana. But this is a Christmas ornament that I picked up from Etsy. So I thought it'd be fun to hang up an ornament on the Christmas tree that reminds me of Yellowstone. And you might have that Yellowstone fan that would absolutely love this. I want to show you this ornament. I think it's handmade and it's pretty big, almost 4 inches wide, 3.5 inches tall. So it's pretty big, but it's pretty light. It's some sort of light wood here, and it is cut out in the style of the barn. And then I'm not sure how this is done on the front here, but it's almost like it's burned in or etched in and then painted, so you can kind of see where they've carved it into the wood. But it looks pretty cool and it looks pretty good. I mean, this is what it looks like on the show for the most part, and then a little piece of twine right up here to hold it. So it's always cool to have kind of that rustic barn ornament on a Christmas tree, but it's also fun just to show that you like the show as well. So if you want to pick up a Yellowstone Christmas ornament for your tree this Christmas, I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much.